In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a PDF on your computer and get it ready to sign in DocuSign from start to finish. Start by heading to the DocuSign website and signing into your account. If you don't see the Sign In option right away, look for it at the top of the page. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, choose Sign a Document. This opens a simple self-sign flow, which is perfect when you just need to sign a PDF yourself or quickly prepare it for a straightforward signature. Next, click Upload. This tells DocuSign you're ready to add your file. A file picker window will open. Choose Desktop to navigate to where your PDF is saved on your computer. If your file lives in another folder, that's fine. Just browse to the correct location. Select your PDF and click Open. Quick tip: make sure the PDF is the final version you want to sign, and check that the text is clear and the pages are in the correct order. DocuSign supports multi-page PDFs, so you don't need to split anything up. Once your PDF is uploaded, you'll see a preview. Click Sign to begin the signing step. If this is your first time, DocuSign may prompt you to adopt a signature style. Either choose a pre-built style or draw your own. After that, place your signature where it belongs on the document if prompted. You can zoom in for precision and scroll through each page to make sure everything looks right. If the document requires a date or your initials, DocuSign may suggest those fields automatically. Just confirm or place them as needed. Take a moment here to review the entire PDF so there are no surprises later. When you're satisfied, click Finish. DocuSign will process your signed PDF and save it to your account. You'll typically see a confirmation screen, and you can download the completed copy right away. You can also find it later under your completed documents in DocuSign. If notifications are enabled, you'll receive an email confirmation as well, which is handy for record keeping. That's all there is to it. Sign into DocuSign, choose Sign a Document, upload your PDF from your desktop, click Sign to add your signature, and click Finish to wrap up. Follow these steps each time you need to convert a PDF into a DocuSign-ready, legally binding document, and you'll streamline your signing process in just a few clicks.